Hello and welcome back to my channel. We are going to cover a basic search, and the content is being brought to you by the Chicago Public Library along with Public Library Association. And so this work is licensed under a Creative Commons. I always want to give credit to the creators of the content, and the website is digitallearn.org. So today we're going to cover again a basic search. So if you have never used a search engine before, this class will help you learn about search engines and get you starting searching the internet. We will also cover some advanced search tools and advertisements in search. So we have about 4 activities, 7 minutes. This is considered an intermediate course, and you can see the activities, and always at the bottom you'll find the lesson plans and additional resources. So there's an internet icon cheat sheet and a basic search practice sheet. And so as always, I'm going to encourage you to sign up. This is a great resource so that you can log in, keep track of the workshops that you are completing, and you can download your certificates. Your name will be on it as well as the date, I do believe. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Pardon the change in audio. So here we go.
Hi, I'm Belle, and I'm here to tell you about finding things on the internet. The internet brings together information from all over the world, which is a lot of information. Today, we will follow along with Anna as she uses a search engine to look up information about Chicago. So what is a search engine? Well, a search engine is a website that you can use to look up content and information on the internet, like the index in the back of a book. When you enter a keyword into the search engine will look through billions of web pages to help you find the ones that you are looking for. There are many different types of search engines made by different companies. Examples of commonly used search engines include Bing, Google, and Yahoo. Each search engine has its own way of organizing information, so the results can vary from one search engine to another. What are some of the things that you can find with a search engine? Well, almost anything. In today's example, Anna is using Google to search for all kinds of information in her day-to-day life. She can look up the weather, find a recipe, define words, and more. Right now, Anna wants to find more information on Chicago, a city she is visiting on vacation. We'll follow along with her search in the next lesson. Click on the blue button to end this lesson.
Okay, we have completed activity 1, search engines. Next up is basic search, activity number 2.
Anna starts her search by going to a search engine website. In this example, Anna is using Google at www.google.com. Another quick way to do a search is to type her keywords in her internet browser's address bar. On the Google website, she sees a box in the center of the page. This is where she will type in what she wants to search. Anna is interested in visiting some of the well-known landmarks on her trip to Chicago. So she types in the keywords Chicago landmarks. By default, Google will search for things that include both of those words. As soon as Anna starts typing, the search engine will display some suggestions of keywords or phrases, and results will start to show below. If she wants to use one of the suggested searches, she can select one from the list. Otherwise, she can just finish typing her search terms and hit the Enter key on her keyboard. The search engine will display a list of results based on her keywords. When she looks at her results, she sees images and links to the top things to do in Chicago, and a map and general information about the area. Anna scrolls further down and sees several websites on Chicago landmarks. To visit one of the websites, Anna clicks on the link. To go back to the search results, Anna would click the back button in the internet browser. The back button is the left arrow at the top left of the window. Would you help Anna by clicking the back button to go back to the search results? Good job! In order to see more results, Anna scrolls down to the bottom. At the bottom are related searches, which are similar searches you may also want to try. To execute those searches, simply click on the search terms links. There are additional pages of results as well. Clicking next or the right arrow will take you to the next page of results. You can also go to a specific page of results by clicking on the page number. Anna scrolls back up to the top of the results page. At the top of the page, right above the results, there are tabs to choose what kind of results you want to see. By default, you will see all results from the internet. The other choices are more specific and will narrow results to the categories such as images, maps, and more. Anna clicks on the Images tab to see images that match her search terms. In the next lesson, we'll continue to follow Anna's progress as she does research for her trip. Click on the blue button to end this lesson.
Okay, we've completed activity 2, a basic search. Next up is ads and search results, activity number 3.
Let's do another search with Anna for her trip to Chicago. Anna needs to decide where to stay on vacation, so she looks for information on hotels in Chicago. Anna's search results also have ads included on the page. Search engines will sometimes display ads related to the search result. They often appear at the top of search results. There is nothing wrong with using the links from ads, but it's good to be aware of the difference between the links on the page that are a part of your search results and those that pay to be on the page. Click on the blue button to end this lesson.
Okay, we have completed ads and search results. Now it's time to practice activity number 4.
Anna is doing some more research for her trip. Let's take a look and see if you can remember some of the main points about searching. Anna did a search in Google for Chicago's Visitors Bureau. Can you identify where you enter your search terms when searching Google? Click on the spot where you enter search terms now. Some of the results on this page are advertisements. Can you identify where the ad appears? There are 2 ways to get a map. Click on one of the 2 areas now. You can also search for images. Click the link that will take you to the image results. Click on the hint button if you need help. In this class, we learned all about searching and walk through as Anna did research for her trip to Chicago. Why don't you give searching a try? Click on the blue button to end this course.
Okay, congratulations. We have successfully completed the basic search. I'm going to download the certificate, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.